Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to the Sons of the Forest playthrough part 5. We're finally done with the house, so we should be moving on from that and start exploring the island. Hope you enjoy. Feel free to leave a like and a comment down in the section below, as well as hit the subscribe button. Doesn't hurt, but it's up to you. Hope you enjoy. Oh, let's... Damn it, I missed. Oh no, I hit it!
You got it?
No, I hit it, but my spear stuck in it, didn't kill it. Stop running, dear. Stop running. Accept your fate. Give me my spear back.
Beat him up.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, you could have tried to go in the front here.
Where's it gonna go? Oh, it went back. What? Oh, dang it. I don't want to lose my spear. Come back here, you. Back here. Get back here.
Beat him up.
Oh, I lost my spear. Fuck me.
We can make a new one.
Yeah.
I'm just making another fish trap.
What?
Instead of making another fish trap.
Alright.
There we go. Looks like we got some fishies in the trap.
I have one here.
We got a few of them in there. Alright, put them on the rack. How do I get rid of my rotten fish?
Take armor. Interesting. You just press G when you are in your inventory.
Okay, got it. Yeah, I figured it out. I gotta figure out how to make some decorations. There's all these hummingbirds in this one area.
I think it's because of the farm.
You like it?
What?
You. Woo. Oh. I need to make several tree shelters.
What? Yeah.
Bone chandelier.
Well, do we want to go explore and some rampage and pillage and stuff?
I could do that.
Or do we want to chill here for? I guess we'll chill here, sleep the night, and then go do it in the morning.
Yeah.
Maybe check out that exclamation point that's close by.
Sure, why won't this let me put this in the wall?
What are you trying to do?
Trying to put a wall torch on the wall.
Hey, Kelvin! What's up?
Oh, he's in here. He's just checking the place out.
Ah, okay. Pick a stick through the. Pick up a stick through the wall. Okay, bye.
He's like, I need this.
Whoa, there's a butterfly in my axe.
Are you amused by that?
I am shook by that.
Shook.
What is your deal? Oh, it's because I have my weapon out, whatever. We need rope.
Yeah, I know.
And cloth.
I'm sure, when we do get the stuff, we can have, lighting here.
Alright.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not dark as shit.
Maybe I like it dark as shit, huh? You ever asked me about that?
Don't give a shit.
Yeah, exactly. Who cared? You never cared.
He's so dramatic. There you go, just putting the sticks there.
Ooh.
Getting sleepy?
Yeah.
Eh.
Eh.
You sure do sound sleepy.
Can I not just yawn?
Nope.
You should go see if Virginia will talk to you. She's kind of walking toward us.
There she is.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. She's looking at me. Oh, there she goes. Alright, so you want to sleep the night away?
Yeah.
And just seeing what I could do to decorate.
Can we sleep? I don't even think we can sleep yet.
Alright, yeah.
Is that a log over there? Go grab that log. Oh, are we gonna keep the fire back here?
Now, let's say we could still have it.
Oh. Maybe we could have more. I don't say we could have more than one fire. We have one back here for food, since we have our food back here, and we got one out in front to do other stuff.
Yeah, we could do that. Like how we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5.
Yeah, we have 5 drying racks, and none of the food is drying.
Maybe it takes a while. I mean, that fish right there looks ready.
I don't think it is.
Oh, it looks more. Never mind.
If you press.
Maybe it
What?
Cool.
It might take a while, yeah.
Oh, she's looking at me. Oh, she's stuck.
Oh, but she's not running.
Yeah.
Hey, she's our friend. We can give her stuff.
Oh, yeah. Her dip dumps also poke through her shirt.
Should see when it's raining.
Bruh.
Sweet. So now we got her as a friend. Let's go.
Very epic.
Very epic. Very epic. Ahahaha.
There you go.
What happened to the door? Oh. Why is it doing this? So glitchy.
And the game is still buggy.
There we go.
Can't do too much about that.
What are you running away from, Virginia?
You're scaring her.
Is she gonna? I was like, is she gonna walk into the house? No, she's not. So she's gonna walk into the wall. Oh, now she's walking into the house. Okay. Never mind.
Oh, she took the door with her.
What you doing? Why are you grabbing the? Why are you grabbing the lantern? All right, whatever. You do you.
Yeah, I think she's stuck.
Can you see me changing my lights?
No.
Darn.
Oh, she's running away. There she goes.
Health mix stone
Oh, she's back.
arrow. Just let her do what she wants. She is crazy.
Yeah, she's staring at me.
She wants her soul.
Uh-oh. We can also sleep now.
Alright, miss her.
And after that, we go explore.
Sleeping.
Okay. Alright, ready to go explore? Find some rag.
Give me a sec. We need to put the fucking rope out first. Let's get food and water, and yeah, we should be good to go.
Stone arrow, 2 stick. 1, 2. 4 stone. 1, 2, 3, 4. And
Feather.
that looks like a leaf.
Feather.
Oh, are you sure? That's a feather. Ew, what's she eating?
I was gonna say, what was I hearing her do?
don't think the feathers did anything.
Yeah, it should be. It's four feathers. You need 4 feathers.
Let me try. 1, 2, 3, 4. It didn't do a shit. It says 2. That looks like a leaf.
Did you put 2 sticks?
Yeah, 1, 2 sticks.
2 sticks, 4 wood. Oh wait, what kind of
2
arrow are you
sticks,
making?
4 stone.
Yeah, 2 sticks, 4 stone, 2 feathers.
It's not working.
Are you using the small rocks?
No.
Use the small rocks instead of the big ones.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, got arrows.
Yeah, we need rope to make bow.
Okay. Alright. You ready?
Right. Yeah, let's go.
I should probably drink first. Haha. I almost forgot to do that.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, have you done it yet?
I did that. But I'm gonna cook. I'm at least cook some stuff. No, I don't want to eat the raw fish. Oh man. Let's cook some stuff before we go and take it with us.
Yeah.
Just so we have it on us.
Lots of fish. It's green to eat.
Yeah, so we can eat raw fish. It doesn't give us as much as cooked fish. We get to see it change. Alright, that one's good to grab. I think they're all good to grab.
Yummy.
You gonna grab the other one?
Yeah, I'll grab it.
Okay.
I have 1 cooked thing on me. Should we cook these as well?
You can cook some of it. Oh hey, what are you making some noises there for? Oh, you gave me a fish. Oh, thank you.
Does she know how to say words, or she just makes noises?
I don't want to eat it. I think she just makes noises.
Yeah, Kelvin's in the water. Just pick up sticks in there.
Raw fish. There you go. So you can take 2 and I'll take 2.
Okay.
And then we can get going.
Alright. I wonder if cloth will be as easy to find as, the other stuff.
If what?
The cloth will be as easy to find as the other stuff.
Maybe.
Like in the other game.
Maybe. Oh, I don't think so. I think it's harder. Alright, let's go.
Alright, you got all the stuff?
Yep.
Okay, let's go exploring.
Yeah, let's go to this exclamation point right up here. Oh, it's just a little camp. Wait, this? Wow, we built right next to a camp, but this isn't it.
Oh, blueberries.
Blueberries?
Yeah, blueberries. Four of them.
Oh, wow. Would you look at that?
What is it?
Grab the...
Oh. It's a good axe.
I was gonna say, this entire time we've been by an axe that's better than the axe that we've had.
Nice. I just popped some pills. Whoops.
Let's go. Drink.
I took some others alcohol in here. So all kinds of good stuff.
There's plenty to take, too.
Coconut cherry. Future.
Oh, and a solar panel. Okay.
Oh, what do you use that for?
To get electricity.
Oh, we could do that.
Yeah.
But
Well,
did something. Trying to move the I saw stuff under it and I can't get it anymore. Like move.
wait. I'm gonna give this back to Cam.
You can pick it up.
I don't know. I don't think I can pick it up, but I can move it.
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
I got a lot of C4 bricks.
Yeah, I got some more bricks. How far is Cam? Not that far.
He's a dead man. He's sleeping. Oh, I got meal packets. This must be people from like the helicopters.
Maybe.
Well, there's like explosive stuff here.
Yeah.
You really want to bring this to camp?
Yep.
Oh, where you gonna put it?
What's it out there? Fine, we'll leave it.
The cannibals will know where we live.
Alright, we'll leave it. Alright, let's go up there.
If I remember correctly, there should be a hanging man here.
I think so too. I think he gives us a location beacon that we can put on what's her face? Virginia.
Bounce. Looks like.
Right, he's right up there.
Yeah, I'll go around, cut him down.
Alright.
Here, let me get off my foot. He's sitting on it. Running. Alrighty. Oh, we got some treats.
I cut him
rope
down.
up here.
Oh, there's rope?
Yeah. I thought you wanted me to cut him down.
Well, no, did you cut him down?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I thought I cut him down. I was throwing rocks and I thought I cut him down.
I know, I did.
Okay. I was gonna be really shocked. I'm like, wow, throwing a rock cut him down?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, stay up there because I can grab the rope. Alright.
I got a flashlight.
Oh, did you fall?
Yeah.
Okay. I think
I got wired.
I did get a
Two.
flashlight too. No, I don't want to get my flashlight out. Alright, sweet. Vodka. We got some vodka.
Buggers. Repair tool.
Yeah, we can make that.
I need a rope for it though.
But you grabbed a rope, didn't you?
Yeah.
Did you, like, jump? Did you take fall damage?
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright.
Should probably heal myself.
Alright.
Oh, there's Virginia.
Virginia?
Yeah.
She's here?
Yeah.
Why's she here?
I guess you just followed us.
That's not good. Oh well, give me a sec, I can do something. Oh, there's a monkey. Monkey, holy.
He just came out of nowhere and he ran away.
Wait, did you pick up the beacon? There, no. What the
There's a
heck?
monkey again. Oh, there's two monkeys.
Oh, it's right there. Right there, right? Yeah, it's a locator. Where'd Virginia go? Oh, hi. Okay.
I know, I think the monkey scared her away.
Alright. Oh, there she is.
Oh, there she is.
Stop moving. Virginia. Baby, come back.
Mm-hmm.
There. GPS locator. Perfect. Now we'll
Yeah,
know where you
put it
are.
on.
Yes.
This monkey trying to fight. Die, monkey.
You
He dead.
just cut off its leg.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, that's not dead.
Oh, he's bleeding out.
Oh, no, it's dead. Good job. I don't know why you're following us. You should not be following us. You should stay back there with Kevin. But what's with your feet? Oh! Your
She has
feet
no
don't
toes.
have toes.
Ew.
They're like ballerina feet.
That's
Alright,
kinda gross.
anyway.
Her feet must be hurting because she's over massaging it.
Yeah, her feet must be hurting. Kevin's still by the house. Virginia's following us. I guess, I don't know.
Web. Spider web's cool.
Yeah. Do we want to go into a cave yet, or do we want to kind of chill for right now?
I mean, we got a good axe.
We do got a good axe.
We might find cloth in there.
We might. So, do we want to go into a cave? Let's go into a cave. Fuck it.
I'm sure. I'm taking pictures of spider webs.
Oh. Lame.
Maybe the name. There's another one. They look interesting berries. We get to try them. They're bad. Don't eat
I would
those.
say they're twin berries, so they're bad. The red ones are bad. Blue ones are good.
I am.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Wish you didn't have to eat the berries so slow.
Yeah.
At least we got, did you got the flashlight, right?
Yeah, I got the flashlight.
Alright.
What's up, dear?
Go exploring. Is there even a cave nearby?
There should be. I think it's up there.
Stand low. Oh, cloth right here. This other cloth things right here. Oh, and money.
I would say there's money for me.
Yeah, and rope. And I got something else. I'm not sure what it was. And there's a dead man.
Oh, slingshot!
Oh, that's what that big thing was?
It's like there's some cannibals around here, or monkeys.
Yeah, he's running around.
I wanna hit him.
Yeah, there he is. Die, monkey. Probably take medicine since that kind of hurt.
Alright, well. Crafted bow, crafted club, health mix, hide armor. Oh shit.
What happened?
Oh,
A
it's
monkey.
I want to hit it with the slingshot, see how much damage it does. Where's the slingshot at? Actually, I don't think.
Hopefully we could carry a good amount of rope.
Arrow, bow, rope. Alright, shall we?
And yeah.
Alright.
Let's go. Our first cave.
Okay, it's not super dark. It's definitely dark. That's not super
Caves look really interesting here.
dark. This is mine. Canister.
Yeah. So it might be going underwater.
Can we even go further? Because I think we need a zip line. Unless. Yeah, we need a zip line. We don't have a zip line. So we can't
Where the
go.
hell? How do we get a zip line thing?
I don't know.
Got that off.
Yeah, no. Alright, well, okay. That was lame.
We need to find another cave.
Yep,
There was one near the beach.
there was one. Oh, they're back. Alright.
Looks like step up this way, maybe.
There's a cave in the cold.
And the what?
Cold. The snow.
The cold. Beating down this stuff.
Oh, jeez. Where are you going?
Up here. You going that way?
I'm coming.
A deer! God. Get wrecked, deer. It's a baby one, too. Got him. Nice. Good stuff. Alright, where is another cave?
Well, if we want to go to another cave that's not in the cold, we don't want to go this way. Let's go this way. Follow.
Okay.
Hi.
A monkey.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh. He came out of nowhere. Hey, dropped his leg off. Oh, there he goes. Whee! It's a water slide.
Kinda. Wait, what? Is this Virginia? Oh, nope, that's not Virginia.
That is a man.
That is another guy, yeah.
Oh, it sees me. He's running away. Oh, there's a camp over here.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, there's a family of them. There's one.
Might be
two,
big guy
three.
here.
Yeah, this is a woman. She's screaming at me.
Okay, give me a sec. I'm eating.
Yeah, she has nipples.
Okay.
I mean, okay, they have nipples. How's their food troughs?
Tasty. Oh, jeez.
There's monkeys.
Oh!
Oh. Got him right in the head.
Right in the head. Ooh.
Die, monkey.
Oh, well, I chopped his arm off.
Nice. Let me take some meds.
And he's dead.
Ow.
Wait, is there only
I'm
one
down.
of those? What, you're down?
Yeah, help. A
I'm
monkey
working
came
on
out
it,
of nowhere.
I'm working on it. go.
Thanks.
Ooh, there's a lot of them.
Heck, I was just trying to take a pill because I need some.
Ow!
I hear an eagle. Alright, monkey did. Oh, he's doing backflips and stuff. Somersault. He down. Oh, I got a new outfit.
Nice.
And some rope here as well.
Sweet. More rope. And a scooter. I don't like how there's only one scooter, but... Oh, wait, you got a scooter. Let's go. Vroom, vroom.
Yeah, what do I do with it?
Click it. And we vroom.
Oh. Can we not put it somewhere?
What do you mean? Oh, no, we
How do
can't carry it. We have to... When we leave, we're gonna have to take it back to camp.
How do I get rid of it? Off of it? Never mind, I figured it out.
Oh, yeah.
Nope, I want off. How do I get off with it?
Double jump.
Got it. Just open these things up. All kinds of cool stuff here.
I was gonna say, did you get this more skin packs?
Yeah, I believe so.
Pillaging.
Climb up here. Let's see what's up here. Nothing. Cans of stuff. Then there's cloth and watches and meat stuff. Very nice. Very nice. Alright. So, do you want to head back?
Sure. Let's head back to drop off our spoils of war.
Uh-huh. There's a monkey.
Drug. Okay, what's the best way to head back? Guess it'll be this way.
I don't.
Why aren't you riding this thing?
I don't know. I'll drive it that well.
Yeah, it's fine. You'll just get the hang of it. Just drive it around.
Alright, how do I drive it?
Just,
Never mind, I figured it out. Oh my god, I'm going so fast.
just take it slow.
I crashed.
Just take it slow.
There's a monkey after me. Get out of here, monkey. Trying to pick it up
Oh, hi.
again. Got it. Ow, there's a man. Oh, he has a hook.
Okay, I'm coming back.
I'm trying to drive this thing, but I'm feeling so bad at it.
I'm coming back. You gotta take it slow. Are you okay?
I think I may have lost him. How do you drive so straight with it?
You just go press W. Oh shit, there's monkeys here. What?
I carried it across the water.
Oh, so yeah, carry it across the water.
Am I heading the right way home?
Pull up, press M, and it'll show you. That's where Kevin's So kind of.
Yeah, I am. I'm not the best at driving this thing, but I'm
That's
trying.
fine. That's all that matters.
Yeah. Oh shit. Alright, let's pick this back up. You can't drive scooters very well.
Wait, Kevin, why are you here?
Teleported.
It makes a backup noise.
He pointed at something.
Alright, back home. You
Hurry
Night
up.
5 will go into the house. Because I don't want to do something. Alright, where the f go? Why is he so far away?
Oop.
Oh,
do you
fish
drop
is
it?
dried.
Yeah,
Push
I
G.
know how. Yeah, I figured it out.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.